I'll guide you through how to enable link previews in WhatsApp without the problem of seeing a simple link in your chat. If you're looking to see a preview of a website before clicking a link, or you want to make your chat conversations more visual and engaging, and you need to enable link previews in WhatsApp, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, you need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Then you'll need to go into your settings menu. If you're using an Android device, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. For iPhone users, you will find the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are in the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy option and tap on it. From there, scroll to the very bottom of the page until you find the Advanced option. In the Advanced settings, you will see a toggle switch next to Disable Link Previews. To enable the feature, simply turn this toggle off. But if after doing this, the link preview still doesn't work, there is a simple workaround you can use. Tap on the sent message, select Edit, and then either add or remove a single character from the end of the URL. This will often force the link preview to appear. By this, you have successfully enabled link previews in WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.